All right, everybody. The first thing you want to do is when you're designing a website is you want to decide on your domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is what people will type into this bar here to find your website. For example, you got yahoo.com, you have facebook.com, you have google.com. So whatever you want people to type in to find your website is going to be your domain name. Now, I would recommend you coming up with about 3 or 4 choices. So say I'm making a website for a youth ministry. My domain could be onfireyouthministry.com or .org or .net, .com being the most popular. I could decide radicalyouthministry.com or youthministryonfire.com. Okay? So you want to decide on about 2 or 3, maybe even 4, just in case your first selection is not available. Now, how do you go about checking the availability of your domain? You're going to go to your browser and you're going to type in learn to create a website.com. I've set all this up for you. Okay? It's going to take you to a page where you can search for domain names and see if they're available. So let's go ahead and do that. So our first priority is going to be onfireyouthministry.com. So what you want to do is you see where it says search a domain. You click right there. So let's type On Fire Youth Ministry. Okay, and we're going to hit search. Then it's going to take you to another page where you're going to check the availability. So let's go ahead and see when that comes up. Okay, here we go. So right here you want to check, you want to type it in again, On Fire Youth Ministry. And you want to click where it says check availability. It's going to let you know if it's available or not. All right, congratulations. onfireyouthministry.com is available. So that is how you check and search for a domain name. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up some hosting and we're going to purchase the hosting and our domain name. So stay tuned for the next lecture.